Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow with just $1 in your pocket. No savings, no investments, no secret plan. Just a single coin. Most people would say, you can't do anything with that. But what if I told you that this single dollar could be the beginning of a journey toward wealth? Today, you're going to discover what I call the one-a-day challenge. Living proof that it's not how much you have that matters, but what you do with the little you've got. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a simple habit into a personal financial empire, even if you're starting from absolute zero. The first step of the challenge is simple but powerful. Understand the symbolic value of $1. That coin represents what most people ignore, the power of starting. Most people fail financially because they wait to have a lot before they begin, while the rich started with little, but with consistency. Think about it. If you save just $1 a day for a year, you'll have 365. Sounds small? Now imagine investing that money, month after month, letting compound interest do its magic, and gradually increasing your daily amount. The secret isn't in the number, it's in the discipline the act creates. The second phase of the challenge is what I call the mindset shift. Because the real obstacle has never been money, it's how you see it. When you decide to invest $1 a day, you're not just saving money, you're training your brain to accumulate, multiply, and respect the process. This is where the rich differ from the poor. The poor spend to feel immediate pleasure, while the rich invest to feel future freedom. That mental shift separates those who complain about life from those who build their own destiny. Now comes the practical part, the rule of multiplication. In the second month, the challenge changes. You start investing $2 a day. In the third, $3, and so on. This progression creates an exponential growth curve, just like compound interest. It's what I call the financial domino effect. Each small amount builds on the previous one, creating something much greater over time. After 1 year, you'll not only have saved money, you'll have become someone with the unbreakable habit of building wealth. But here's the crucial point that 99% of people ignore. It's not about the money. It's about the identity you create in the process. Every day you complete the challenge, you prove that you can do what most people won't. Act consistently. Millionaires weren't born lucky. They were born persistent. They understood that real freedom comes when the habit of investing becomes as automatic as breathing. And it all starts with one simple decision: save today what others waste. Now imagine reaching the end of the year and realizing you're not the same person anymore. Your view of money has changed, your mindset has changed, and, most importantly, your confidence in creating wealth from nothing has become real. That's what the one-a-day challenge represents, a financial and emotional reprogramming. You're not just saving, you're building a future that works for you. While most people remain trapped in the cycle of scarcity, and if you think it's too late to start, remember this: no one gets rich in the future. People get rich from how they use the present. The difference between dreamers and achievers is what each person does with their first step. And yours can start today with a single coin. So here's my invitation: accept the challenge. Start with $1, then $2, then $3. Turn it into a daily commitment to your future. Mark the beginning of this journey by commenting, "I start today." Because when you write that phrase, you're not just accepting a challenge, you're declaring that poverty is not your destiny. It's just your starting point. If this video woke something up inside you, leave a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still believes it's impossible to start small. Because in the end, wealth doesn't begin with money. It begins with a decision.